are playing charades. Movie. One syllable. Don't, or little word. Little word. Don't. Okay. Little word. Little word. Did I get it right? Okay. Don't, B? B? Did I get B right? Okay. Now what else? How much syllables? How much syllables? How much syllables? You retard? Okay, what, 2? Okay. Is someone trying to eat you? Eat. Kill. Afraid? Okay. Little word. Of. Little, okay. Little word of, B. B. The. Did I get it right? Okay. Do you know how to turn off all the lights? Of the dark? Now turn on the other lamp, you ding dong. And did I get it right? Okay. What? Okay, now you have more. You have 2 more. Okay, think of something, and not Super 8.
That was funny.
Don't do anything too embarrassing. This is going on YouTube. I'm joking.
Are you shooting me?
What?
Are you shooting me?
Yep. Yep.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
I'm not even thinking of anything right now.
Think of something then. Please. Stop moving. What is it supposed to be? A book, a movie? Okay, a movie? Did I get it right? Okay. Okay, restart. 1 syllable. A big word? Okay, a little word. B. The. Who. He. Should. Big. Small. Medium. Medium. Is this a big... What's that girl's name? Am I getting it right? Queen of Liberty? Liberty? Justice for all? Justice for all? And all unite? Superman! Medium Superman? Is that a movie? I didn't know that.
It's just Superman.
But you said medium Superman.
No, I said super was a medium word.
Oh. One more. Okay, I guess not.